Hey guys, this is Jennifer from jenniferbands.com, or I also go by Low Carb with Jennifer. And today I'm going to use my Instant Pot and show you how to make my one of the most popular recipes on my blog. It is the Instant Pot chicken breast, and it's the perfect recipe to use for tacos, anytime that you need to use chicken, shredded chicken, or cubed chicken in a recipe. So let's get started. So for this Instant Pot recipe, I'm using 6 frozen, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You could also use fresh chicken breast. For the liquid, I'm using water. You could use chicken broth if you want. And for the spices, I'm using cumin, oregano, and chili powder. And then some minced garlic. And finally, salt and pepper. Now we're going to put the lid on and set it to sealing. To set the time, you hit manual and you have it for 10 minutes. You can hit the plus or the minus to increase or decrease the time that you need. And whenever it starts to cook, it will go to the on the digital screen. After a 10-minute natural pressure release, we release the pressure, and when the pin drops, we can remove the lid, and our chicken is perfectly cooked. And I'm going to use 2 forks to shred the chicken into the liquid, or you could remove the chicken from the liquid and shred it in a bowl with a hand mixer or a stand mixer. It actually makes it so much easier. But I just kind of stirred it around to get the spices all mixed into the liquid, and that's it. That's all you've got to do. Or you could take it out of the pot and use a knife and cut it up into chunks or shredded. Either one will work for this recipe. And this recipe is so perfect for chicken tacos, or you can use it as enchilada filling or a taco salad. So there you have it, perfectly cooked chicken breast in your Instant Pot. This was all ready in less than 30 minutes.